What's up, guys? So recently I was going through TikTok and I watched a short of this tiny little car, and I it felt so lovely and magical that I thought I had to buy it for my youngest son, who just turned 1 year old. Even though it says age +6, but it has a function that I really liked. I mean, it has multiple functions, but the one that I really liked was when you try to grab it, like a kid when he tries to grab it. It has a sensor, it automatically runs away, so it will keep him busy. Another feature that it has is that they have included a ball, so if you switch it to that mode, it automatically pushes the ball wherever the ball goes. It keeps pushing it. Another mode it has is that you can follow your finger, which is for elder kids. Like if you do it like this, wherever your finger goes, the car follows you. And there is one more, I think, which it can follow lines and things like that. So I mean, it had multiple features even though it looks tiny. So I really liked it. You can find it on AliExpress for around $30. It depends on the country you live in and whether it is sale period or not, so it will depend, but you can find it around $30 plus minus. And I really loved it, so I ordered it. Again, I have ordered it for my kids, but I first wanted to show it to you guys. So let's check it out so that I don't waste any of your time, and let's go. No matter how much I try to shorten my video to show the product fully, it really becomes long. And I will try to use the action camera at the end to show it running on the floor, but first let's try it on table here, and then so that you can see it's in close up, and then we will switch to the action mode where you can see it in full action on the floor or something like that. So we have this ball. They have given this ball because it can push it, and I like that they have kept the combination yellow versus yellow. So we have the ball. Okay, they are securely mounted. Let me put ball somewhere. They are securely mounted with these things. So that they don't fall away, so packaging wise, so that things don't get damaged. We have the remote. Similarly, the car is also I think if I keep rotating it, it will let it go. All right, the car was also plugged into it, like it was securely mounted. And it charges by type C. You have a type A to type C cable. That's nice. This is the first car I have seen that charges by type C. Otherwise there are weird chargers. And this is the user manual. I think that's pretty much it. Nothing else. All right, let's put the cable aside as well, and let's see the car itself. It is tiny, like I have large hands, so you can like take the measurement and take an idea of its size. Plastic wise, you can see there is a shine, and the plastic feels really premium. It is not cheap in any way. You can, when you hold the car, it does not feel cheap in any way, whether it is from the bottom or top. There is a button which switches the mode, and then you have the type C charging here, on off button here. What else do we have? There are some lights. I'm not sure if they will turn on or not. We will see about that. And this is speakers, so it will have some sound as well. It takes 5 volt, so probably 1 ampere and 5 volts, so it will take 5 watt power to charge itself. Then we have the remote. A very unique design for the remote. This is the first time I have seen something of this design. Usually they are black with some buttons and an antenna. These are the infrared probably, and this is the button. So it comes back like more like a joystick. It comes back to its original position. Then we have this, which also comes back to its original position. I'm not sure about their purpose. I probably have to look and try them. We have on off music. What does this will probably change the mode but what is this? I'm not sure if it auto mode or not. We have this indicator light here as well, and on the back side we have two AAA batteries. So I will install them just in a second, and let me install the batteries and also learn about this button so that I can guide you and come back to you. All right, I have gone through the mods and everything. So it has 4 mods. First is manual control, in which you just control with your remote, and following remote, this takes it forward, this is backward, this is turn rotate left, I would say, because the car goes like this. If you keep pressing it, it keeps rotating. So it is a turn, but in kind of rotational way. So rotate left, rotate right. This long press, this turn on, this is for horn, and if you long press it, the music will turn off. Long press again, the music will turn on. This is auto mode. They did not explain the auto mode. I think it will give some kind of demo with the auto mode, we will see. And then this is the mod which will follow these mods. One is inductive follow mode, in which it follows the ball. They say that these are 2 sensors, these 2, and then they have 2 sensors here as well. So and they recommend that it should not be direct sunlight and not under bright light. Maybe the sensors they use have some kind of light sensing or something like that, because they say these are light sensors. And although maybe they will not work under this kind of spotlight. I mean, in normal lights they will work, but not under bright sunlight. And another thing is that the remote and the car uses radio frequency, which is great in the sense that even if there is no direct line of sight, it will radio frequency remote still work. So that is also good. It is an upgrade over usual IR remotes. Then you have the escape mode. Inductive mode follows car. Escape mode follows, like, you try to grab it and you can't grab it because it has sensors on the front and back. Then you have the track map mode, in which it follows the line. As you can see, they have specified things like that. And it automatically shuts itself down after 20 minutes of inactivity. I think this should be enough for now. And let's start our testing, and let's hope that it has some kind of charge so that we can try testing it. I have already inserted the 2 AAA batteries here. Let's turn it on. So this was the sound that it gives when you turn it on, like a normal car. So it tries to give the sound of normal car, and this is the remote combination. Let's try to pair it with its remote. Let's long press, and there is a light. The car is giving a sound, which means it has paired. So this also changes the music and gives horn, and if I long press it, it like turns itself off, like the music goes off, and horns also goes off. I think horn should remain, but anyway, let's go try the forward left. Very responsive. See, extremely responsive, like even minor touch, like, see, it gives you the feeling that the motor installed inside it is very strong, because the pickup time of the motor is very fast. See, and it uses because it is a 4-wheel drive, so it uses R4. I think it uses, oh sorry, I press the mod button. You can also change the mod from here, not remote, so I accidentally pressed. Oh. It is in escape mode. Oh, how do I reset? It went into escape mode automatically because I pressed it. Okay, I was trying to show you something. Yeah, it is a 4-wheel drive, so it uses it does not turn the wheels to take turn, but it uses their motion to take left or right turn. So if I say go left, see, so like this. So forward and backward, it uses that. So it can do something like this. It's so cool. See, and we will get to the follow ball as well. I mean, even with this kind of remote control, assuming there are no sensors and everything, even this control handling, like having this remote, check out its quality. And you may say, okay, others are also like this. Let me show you. Others remote look something like this. See the difference? So even the paint job is better. The plastic feels more premium. So even with this feature, like even if it did not have any other features, I would be happy. Even if you ask me, up until this point, I would just simply recommend it without even other features. But it's so amazing. See the response, and see. Cool. All right, now let's change the mod. Press 1, and this is demo mode. Whoa. We will touch the demo mode at the end, sorry, because that requires a bigger space, and I will use my Insta360 Go camera to show you the auto model. Oh, I think I need to turn on the music. It tells you the mod if the music is on. Remote control mode. This is remote control mode, and follow mode. Oh wait. What kind of follow mode was that? Sorry, follow mode is for the car. We need a bigger surface to use it. Can I zoom out? It is full zoom out. This is follow mode. Cool. It also changes its direction based on where the ball is. See? Because it needs to hit the ball, so it changes its direction. It is waiting for the ball to go static so that it can hit it. Let's see. Oh, stay here. Come here. All right, let's change the mode to, this is the follow mode, escape mode. This is escape mode. So it also tells you what mode it is in right now. In this mode, it will not let you capture it. Oh, Stop. Because it is in escape mode. Sorry, let me disable it because it is so fast. Oh. Even on the floor, it was not letting me capture it. It does not work that. Maybe it works. Okay. Oh. Sorry. We need to switch to insert my action cam to show it correctly. But ooh, so all right, let's change the mode. What's the last one? Oh. Let's change the camera, man. All right, now I have changed the camera to an action cam so that you can watch whatever I am watching. And let's turn on the remote. Car is already on. Let's go forward. This is the quick response of the car. Let's see the range. As you can see, it can go further, and this is the rotation. Although getting the right rotation may be a little tricky. Okay, this is the manual mode. I have turned off the music. Let me turn on the auto mode as well. This is the auto mode. So I mean, you set it and it will automatically keep doing stunts like these. And I have cancelled the auto mode. This is me just pressing right turn, left turn. See, there is in the line, it also shines really well. So for the kids, very young kids, it is attractive because its paint job is so good. Okay, what else can I show you? Now the modes are left that I need to show you. For that, I need to turn on the music to see first mode. The first mode is follow mode, which is the ball. So I need that ball. Let me pick it up. All right. This is the follow mode. Let me change the position of my camera. This is the follow mode, if I'm right. No, what was the first mode? Inductive mode. Is this the follow mode? I need to turn on the music to get the notification of what the mode is. This is the follow mode. See, I mean, you just let it go and it will automatically keep pushing the ball. Really cool, really cool. And the car itself is really strong. I mean, during making the video, it fell off the table multiple times, and you can see there is not even a single scratch on it. Alright, let's change the mode. Escape mode. Now this is in escape mode, so it should not let me capture it. Let's try to capture. Like, I'm an adult, so I should be able to capture it, right? But I can't. So I mean, if I want to, I can capture it, but for a kid, it's much quicker. What the heck? The sensors are there. I think the sensors should have been at a different position. So this is the escape mode. There was a follow mode as well, but this will not work on this marble. This is map mode because it needs line, and this marble has many lines. So instead of ball, you can also use your finger. All right, this was our magical induction car, and finally, I hope you like it. The link will be in the video description along with discount codes and anything, so don't ask for links or price. I put them in the video description. It is going haywire because it knows I have captured it. So I hope you guys liked it, and found it useful, and I'm sure your kids will love it too. I have 4 kids, 2 sons, 2 daughters, so I often buy some kind of new toys for them. I also enjoy them myself, so I hope you guys like it. Take care. Bye.